If you're looking for a genuine Hostinger coupon code and a quick Hostinger review, this video shows you how to get the best deal on one of the best web hosting platforms right now. When you use the link in the description or scan the QR code, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months automatically applied during checkout. Here's the key difference. Most links online only give around a 10% extra discount, but this one gives a full 20% plus 3 extra months, making it one of the highest Hostinger deals available. And if prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. In this Hostinger review, performance and simplicity really stand out. You get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and light-speed servers for better performance. The Hostinger website builder makes it easy to create a professional site, even without experience. You also get a simple control panel, one-click WordPress setup, and strong uptime for reliable performance. Because of its speed, ease of use, and features, Hostinger is widely considered one of the best web hosting options. Plus, every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. That extra 20% discount combined with 3 extra months significantly reduces the final cost. So if you're getting started, just click the link below or scan the QR code to activate this deal instantly. And as your website grows, you can scale easily with tools like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger openclaw, and Hostinger N8N. To get the full savings, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months.